Buongiorno, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna start with some basic recipe. We're gonna start with the sweet pastry. After we're gonna learn how to do this recipe, we're gonna create crostate, biscuit, cake, whatever you want. First of all, we're gonna mix the flour with the butter until it's gonna become crumbling. So as you can see, it's very crumbling. So this is gonna help us to create a structure and a texture of our sweet pastry. And let's add the icing sugar now. After we dissolve our icing sugar, we can add our eggs. So here I use icing sugar because I want a fine texture, but you can use even custard sugar, it's fine. Our sweet pastry is done, so now we can put in a cling film and put it to rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Personally, I prefer to put it to rest not less than 12. After we rest the dough, so now we can use it for biscuit, for tart, for pie, whatever you like, so have fun with it. So guys, if you like my video, push my small face, little face, round face, I don't know how to call it, and you can find my other recipe over here. So give us a like, comment, and let me know what you think.